Everybody, so got a quick kind of sneak peek unboxing Stihl product kind of video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so I did a previous video with just the string trimmer in it, which is this guy right here. I ended up going back and I got the caps for him. Here's the brush cutter. It has a bigger shroud. And it's got a shroud for the blade as well, which is kind of nice. And here is the Kombi KM131R. They did fill it up for me a little bit. He put a sticker on the front for me. It says Mo Power. Equipment sales, rentals, and repairs. Mesa, Arizona. It has a phone number. But it's not going to be a long video. I will be doing a video where we're going to be using it. We're going to be talking about more about it. Like a good piece of information that I have for you right now is this is a 4-cylinder motor, but it runs on 2-cylinder gas. The choke function, move it up. When you squeeze the trigger, it will pop the choke to off and to full throttle. Okay. This is not like the older models. It doesn't have a slide switch right here. It just has a stop button. These are the 2 attachments I have right now. I don't have anything else. I picked up what I needed. I'm going to use it today to do a little bit, and then we'll do a video on it. Oops, sorry, excuse me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.